Hello, I'm Zoe with another example of quadratic equation. We are going to solve any kind of quadratic equation in form of a x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. And we practiced before and solve this with help of quadratic formula. It's very popular and a very famous formula, you know that. Negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a when b is the coefficient of x and a leading coefficient, c is constant. But today I have another suggestion. If we have an f of x or a quadratic equation equals to 0, we can solve this exactly with this formula but a little bit simpler. If b is even number, in this case b is even number, negative 8. Any even number can be written as 2 times a half of this. For example, if b is even, implies that b can be written as a 2 times half of b, right? Okay, we can use we replace 2b prime instead of b in this formula. Okay, what can we do? Start from here. X is equal to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac, as you know, over 2a. Okay, we replace this one. Okay, anywhere we have b, we can write 2b prime. Negative b is negative 2, negative, because is negative. Instead of b, we can say 2b prime. Right? Do you agree? Good. Here, plus minus. B squared, we can say 2b prime squared minus 4ac over under radical, everything over 2a. We continue here. This one, negative x is equal to negative 2b prime plus minus radical 2b prime squared gets 4b prime squared, right? Agree? Minus 4ac over 2a. We can simplify here. Negative 2b prime plus minus. Here we will be factoring 4 and factor out 4, and we can write this radical as 2 radical. Radical 4 times radical b prime squared minus ac, right? When you factor out 4, gets 4 times this parenthesis. 4 separate radical and this one separate radical. Good. Over 2a. X is equal to negative 2b prime plus minus, this gets 2 b prime squared minus ac over what? Can say over 2a. Now we can simplify. 2 is here, we can factor out and simplify with denominator. The final answer is, actually gets x equals to minus b prime plus minus b prime squared minus ac over just a, as we had it before. We proved this, right? We use this one just when we have 8 or the b is even number. Okay, how can we solve this? F of x is f of x 5x squared minus 8x plus 3 gets 0. It doesn't matter which one we solve, but we did it before with this. But this time we want to do this. I like this because this is very simpler form, especially when you take a test, SAT test or other assessment tests. The time matters to you, I know that. And sometimes you're dealing with very huge number. You use this one, if this is even. Okay, now, what can we do? Now, we can say this is A is 5, B is negative 8, C is 3. Okay, X is equals to negative B gets negative 4. But this is opposite. This is plus 4. Plus minus. Negative 4 squared 16 minus AC. AC is 3 and 5 gets 15. Over what? Over A. A is what? A is 5. Room for this. Are you with me? Good. Okay, now we can write this one. X 4 plus minus 16 minus 15 gets 1, right? Gets out, gets 1 over 5. So the roots or zeros or answers for x when f of x gets 0 is this. The first x can be 4 plus 1 over 5. 5 over 5 gets 1. This is the first answer or zeros. The second one is x equals to x2. 4 minus 1 over 5 gets 3 over 5. We have two real solutions or two real zeros. Okay, hope you like this one. We could use a very simpler form of quadratic formula that is exactly equal to this with the same answer. And it's very useful when B is even number. Okay, hope you like this, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel if you think this is useful, and just introduce my channel to other students and the other adult students who need to know about this one. And good luck and have a good day. Bye.